Hey guys, man, do I have a video for you. I have all of your favorite sounds back here, and now let's do them really quickly. Just gonna grab one more thing, your absolute favorite. We're gonna save that for the end of the video. Let's place that there for now. And now let's start off with candy. I'm not sure. I'm gonna see how this tastes, and then yeah, that's actually it. So this is like a new sound, and it's only gonna appear once. So enjoy it while it's here. Okay, here it is. It's a little bit sticky. I'm gonna try to make today's video a long one because I know how much you guys love those. There you go. Here is the strip. Let's see how it tastes. Oh, really good. Oh, really good. Very sweet. Alright, next up we have straw and remote. This is the new remote. Let's see if you guys like this one better. We have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink. You guys also loved measuring. Alright, let's see your forehead. That thing is massive. That's not a forehead, that's a 10 head. You might need to get that checked out. That's fine. Next up, this is my personal favorite. Subby sandwich. No, I'm not biased. This is, okay, maybe a little, but this is still really good. Amazing. Next up, I haven't used this one in a while. Creamsicle. It's not as great compared to Subby, but still really good. You guys also love fluid. Oh, I found something. The original remote. Let's go back to this thing. Tell me in the comments, did you like the old one or the new one better? Personally, I'm still a fan of the old one. Next up, Mist Sprayer. This one's really gonna come in handy today because today we're going to a 4th of July party. If you're not from America, basically this is when America gained their independence. So we're just celebrating it up. And look at that smoke. I'm gonna need some of this. Amazing. Finally. Polyfill. Not only does this sound super nice, but it also feels super nice. It feels like it's just giving me a big warm hug. And with the fluff on top. It's amazing. And don't forget with the stuffing tool. This is one of the greatest. Not better than Subby though. Lastly, the moment you guys have all been waiting for. Storytelling. Now, I don't really understand why you guys love this one so much. Tell me in the comments why. Like, I genuinely have no clue, but you guys love it. So we're gonna make more. First off, oh, that smells so good. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna make up a story on the spot. You're walking through a movie, but which movie is it? It's Food Fight. It's Food Fight. Watch it up here. It's an amazing video. Please, please, just watch it. Please, it's amazing. Please. Okay. So you're in Food Fight, and you meet Subby. Subby says hi. What do you say? You don't say hi. You don't say anything. You bow down because he's superior to everyone. I'm just kidding. So you say hi. You continue moving along. Food Fight. You go and you see the chair champion. He says hi. What do you do? No. Okay. No, you don't. You don't not say anything. Bow down to him because he's superior, even though he is. You say hi back. Never mind. I'm just kidding. So you say hi. He says hi. Then you continue your journey through Food Fight. Lastly, you meet the ice cream queen. She says hi. What do you do? No, you don't say hi. You don't bow down because she's superior, no. You apologize to her because dairy turned into a banana. I'm just kidding. You say hi. She says hi. And your journey through Food Fight is over. You walk and you see the exit. You go through it. Suddenly, you're out of Food Fight. And out of the video because this is coming to an end. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you in the next video. Goodbye.